Assalamu alaikum besties, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, hi, my name is Jen, welcome. And if you are by a goodie, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you guys so much. So besties, in today's video I am going to show you guys everything I got as a beginner lash tech. My bone just did crack. Yeah, I'm getting old, jeez. Anyways, yeah, I did not order everything. I just ordered the essential stuff that I need right now just to start practicing. Does that make sense? So guys, I'm gonna show you guys everything I have inside the box. So I have this thermometer. This is basically to check the temperature in your house, because otherwise your glue is not going to be able to stick properly to the lashes. You have to have your house in certain temperature. This is what it looks like. It's small, but it's gonna be very useful. I'm going to link all this stuff on the description below. If you guys are interested, just click on it and it will take you straight away there. It will make your life easier, and I am not getting paid. I bought this with my own money. So the next thing we have washer, the jade stone. Basically, instead of using that glue ring, you can just use this. It will be easier for you to place your eyelash and glue it, and then put your glue and just pick, and do you know what I mean? It'll be easy. It'll make your life easy putting glue on here. Okay, this is what it look like. So cute. The next thing we got is this doll head. I opened it yesterday, I'm not even gonna lie. I was too tired to film, but I like the fact that on the box it gives you all these tips and stuff like that. This is what it look like. I really like it. See, anyways, inside this is what you have. It's just a simple normal doll head, okay? And basically I would just lay this down and start practicing on it, and it's super useful. And this is not like the eye does not remove. All you do is glue, stick, not even glue it, stick your eyelash underneath it and start practicing. Inside the box it comes in with a lash, which I like. I'm gonna have to order more of this lash tray. So yeah, and it comes in with this thing that you stick underneath the eye, like yeah, what do you call it? Basically you're gonna stick it down so that way you can write the number. For example, maybe a client come to you and they say, oh, I like my lashes, I don't know, short, long, whatever length they like. For example, let's say she wants 13, 12, 11, and then in a corner it always have to be shorter, like 10. And then you can just mark it, and then on the client card you can take this and stick it there, so every time they come, at least you know what that client likes, so you don't have to be asking them unless they want to change the style that they usually go for. They want to go for something else, then you can do that as well. But yeah, this is what it comes in with. And then you have this manual card. Basically teaches you everything that you need to know, which is so useful as a beginner lash tech, and it will help you tremendously because you can't remember everything they teach you, can you? And it comes in with a tweezer as well, so that way it's easy for you to pick the lashes and stick it to the doll head. Another package. I don't want to show my address, so be careful when you open it. So on this bag we have a lash glue holder. There's so many things I need to buy, but right now these are the stuff I got. This is a glue holder which will help your glue to stay on the right temperature, so that way you don't have issues with your glue. So I thought I would buy this. But you have this thing that you press to take, and then I think you press it down too. Yeah, this box we have a fan. Yeah, which is, oh, it's actually big, you know, surprisingly. It comes in with a USB charger. This is it. It's so cute. I really like this color because it's super girly. Yeah, try. I know me. Let me be gentle. I beg. I didn't buy this stuff too. Okay, so guys, this is so cute. I really like the color. It's so girly. I don't want my face to show, so make sure it comes in. Anyways, that's the color. And then, okay, let's hear that. Let me see if it's strong. Definitely. I beg. Oh, this feels so good. Yeah, definitely will dry up the lash. Amazing. I feel so freaking good. I'm gonna be practicing to be perfect to my craft so that way I can start offering the service to people and start charging. I'm super excited. My friend actually coming in not next week, but a week after on Monday to come and see me, for us to spend time together. And also she wants me to, obviously she's gonna borrow me her eyes for me to do her eyelash, which I'm so excited. Honestly, find your friends that support you. I love my girls. I love my girl. Seriously, I am very picky because since I was young, friendship has always been an icky situation for me. I have friends that were like jealous and like super competitive, and I don't want that competitive spirit as a friendship, you understand? So now I'm very selective on who I have in my life, and I feel like it's like I am a very giving person, so I need to learn to protect my energy. And I'm just like, I'm not a bad person, like I don't have any ill intention towards people. I am so giving, and I feel like sometimes if you're not careful, people try to take advantage of you because they think that maybe this person is not smart, when that's not the case. I'm just so forgiving and caring. And by the way, I just want to say, take care of yourself. The other day, not even the other day, Wednesday I went for spa and I felt amazing, and yesterday I got me a beautiful gorgeous flower, which I love now, arranging flower, which I'll put somewhere on the screen. I love arranging flower. Take care of yourself and treat yourself how you want people to treat you. Anyways, now I'm big on protecting my energy and my peace, and anybody that has not give me peace and give me happiness, you are out of my life. I'm not expecting you to make me happy, because nobody can make you happy except yourself. But you are also not gonna be coming and bringing me wahala in my life, and I don't want that. So yeah, I'm choosing my peace of mind over anything, over anybody. And obviously I'm starting to learn how to set boundary. And by the way, I posted a video about me starting to wear hijab, and I took it off because I didn't want people to, I didn't want pressure. Do you understand? This is my journey and I want to take it slow. And I feel like once I posted the picture, everybody started just putting pressure, like, oh, you should wear it, you look beautiful. Yes, I know I look beautiful with hijab, and I don't want to do it because of other people. I want to do it for sake of Allah and Allah alone, because if you do it for other people, most likely you will remove it. You understand? And I do want to wear a scarf. As you can see, I wear head wrap and stuff. I love it. And sometimes you might see my hair in the video, sometimes you might not, and that's okay, and that's the journey. I'm still learning. I don't know yet. I am here asking Allah to guide me. If He allows for me to wear the hijab, then so be it. I will pray with no question, with no resistance. I will just do it because He wants me, and I ask for His guidance every single day, and that's the most important thing. And if that's not the case, I don't end up wearing hijab, it is okay as well. It's fine. That's it. That's what He wants. So yeah, by the way, that is it for this video. I am so excited, and I did my eyebrow the other day. Not yesterday, I did my eyebrow. Why do I keep saying the other day? I did my eyebrow yesterday. Amazing. I love it. I love it, love it, love it so much. Anyways, besties, I hope this video found you well. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section. And as time goes, I'm ordering stuff, and everything I order, I'll come and show you guys, so that way you don't feel lost and confused on where to start. For now, this is where we're starting. Part 2 is coming. Whenever I ordered other things, I'll come back to you. Okay, but yeah guys, I love you all so much. I will definitely see you guys on my next video. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know where you're watching from, and let me know if you're just embarking on this journey as well. And if you have any tips at all, leave them in the comment section. But yeah, I love you all so much. I will definitely see you guys on my next video. Bye besties.